Assalamualaikum. We will present about Shopee AI chatbot. We start from introduce.
Introduction. Shopee is one of the large online shopping platform in Seoul, Asia with millions of users every day. To manage the large number of customer, include Shopee user AI chatbot. This chatbot can also question, provide product information, and help tracker order. This technology help Shopee delivery faster customer service and improve the shopping experience. Next.
Next, organization industry overview. Shopee also is an commerce platform founded by C Group in 2050. If you guys want to know, Shopee also available in Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, Thailand, Vietnam, and Philippines. Shopee also have a lot of product like electronic, clothes, groceries, cosmetic, home appliance. Their face strong competition is like Lazada and Amazon. Shopee also use AI for give customer to more understand what they want. Next, next. Okay. Also, AI application in Shopee is firstly you usually Shopee use is understand customer behavior, automate customer service, stop fraud, keep operation smooth. Next. So first is AI chatbot and customer service. Second, AI product recommendation. Next, AI third, AI search and image recognition. Four, AI fraud detection and security. Next.
Impact of AI on daily operate. Shopee use AI chatbot to access customer service 24 hours on the mobile app and website. Next. Impact on the decision making. AI chatbot not only answer question but also collect customer data from chat. The data include common question, complaint, product issue, refund, and shopping behavior. Next.
So strategy impact and digital transformation is AI is important for all Shopee service. Next, digital transformation. Um, and then Shopee is the biggest e-commerce player in Southeast. And then also AI support strategic decisions. Next. Okay, this is the example. Next.
7.0 impact on people and job roles is a AI chatbot help reduce customer service. Employee can focus solving more complex problems. And then challenge risk and ethical issue is a AI and security further improve platform like Shopee. And Shopee provides security like a Face ID and cyber attack.
Okay, so this is a recommendation and future improvement. Um, we suggest that improve AI chatbot understanding, provide access to human support, strengthen data security and privacy, enhance AI product recommendation, train employees to adapt with AI, and lastly, explore advanced AI technologies. Next, next. In conclusion, AI has helped Shopee improve its service and manage daily operations. And with continuous improvement, AI will continue to help Shopee grow and stay competitive in the e commerce industry.
That's all from us.
That's all from us. Thank you.
Wait, okay.